Okay, 15 to 23 road glide vent delete without tweeter, with tweeter. Step one, after you take out your pod and your vent, we're going to put in the vent delete from the outside. You're going to line this gap up nice and tight, and you're going to tape right over. That way that stays in place. On the inside, 1/8 inch drill bit, we're going to drill right through up top here. And you're going to put in the supplied tech screw. Right down in. Another one on the inside right here. You want to kind of hold that in from the outside. Drilling straight across into the vent. Okay. Right there. Okay, very last one is down here. You got to be careful with this tab that you don't bust it off. We kind of drill straight down through the bottom, right into that plastic. You'll see your drill bit come through. And that is it. Now you're installed. If you want, you can put 2 extras on the side, but it's not really completely necessary. Okay, tweeter version, same thing. We're going to put this in. Make sure this gap is nice and lined up top. Tape it. Tape it good. Okay, same thing. I'm going to start off right up top. These are a little different. You're going to feel it drill through the first cavity of the print. Once I get through here, now I can feel the print. I go right through. Not too deep. You're only going in about 1/4 inch. You'll feel it go through that cavity that's in there. And we put the tech screw in. Okay, same thing right over here. I'm drilling in about 1/4 inch, and I will feel it go through the first cavity of the 3D print right there. Make sure you don't poke through. And then we're going to do right at the bottom. And that's kind of the easy one once you get down there. The tweeter ones are kind of cool because you can just go right in through the sides here. Then you're going to mount your tweeter up. These fit pretty much any 25mm tweeters.